Hi guys, so today we're going to be teaching you how to make some slime. And first of all, you need Elmer's School Glue, lotion, glitter, shaving cream, and it's the cream type, cornstarch, and borax, but we won't need borax for this part. So first of all, you need to pour the glue in, and it's the whole bottle. Step is you have to put 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch, which is almost a whole spoon of teaspoon. Make sure you wash your hands. And then the third step is to add shaving cream. First step is you have to mix this. So you need a half cup of warm water first, right here, and then a quarter teaspoon of borax, and add it in. And then mix it. And then pour it in, so keep mixing. So after mixing, you can just take it out. And then you can get your hands off to mix it a little more until it doesn't stick on your hands anymore. of all, we were doing a review because we forgot to, say it. So after mixing it, you can put some lotion in so it doesn't really stick on your hand. So the next step is to take it out. No, I think put it in. And so first put food coloring in it. So basically you just add which color you want, and if you want to get a color that you don't need, then you don't have, you can just mix them together. And finally it was super cool. So just keep mixing it until it's the color you want. And then you can just put whichever color glitter you want in it. And it's about the whole video. Mom, and once you're done with it, you can just put the glitter in. First you have to make it flat. But don't use all the glitter. And this is all the slime.